Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation: the glory of the Lord is always worth singing, for His glories enhance the glories of His devotees. One should therefore meditate upon the Supreme Personality of Godhead and upon His devotees. One should meditate on the eternal form of the Lord until the mind becomes fixed.
Kirtanya tirtha jasasam munna shloka jasaskaram dhayat devam samagrangam javanna chavati mana. This is called meditation. Javan, so long the mind is disturbed and deviates from our subject of meditation, one should practice this kirtan. Kirtaniya sadahari. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advises that the devotee should chant always, 24 hours. Kirtanya, it is worth singing. It is worth singing. Why? The punna shlokasya punna shloka jasaskaram. Even if you do not fix up your mind, kirtan means fix up your mind. Even if you do not fix up your mind, then you are still gainer. The more you glorify the Lord, you become pious simply by kirtan. It is not necessary that you understand. But if you go on chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then you become pious. Punna Shloka. Krishna's another name is Punna Shloka, Uttama Shloka. Simply by chanting Krishna, you become pious. So dhayat devam samagrang. The dhyan, the meditation should begin from the lotus feet. As soon as you begin kirtan, first of all concentrate your mind on the lotus feet. Not all of a sudden jump over the face. We practice to think over the lotus feet, then still higher the knees, then the thighs, then the belly, then the chest. In this way, at last go to the face. This is the process. It is described in the second canto. The process is how to think of Krishna, manmana bhavaman bhakti. This is meditation. So this, by kirtan, it becomes very easy. If you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra 24 hours, like Haridas Thakur, that is not possible. So as much as possible, Tirtha Jasasa, kirtan, this is also kirtan. We are talking about Krishna, reading about Krishna, reading Krishna's instruction in the Bhagavad-gita, or reading Krishna's glories in the Srimad Bhagavatam, they are all kirtan. It is not that simply when we sing, with musical instruments, that is kirtan. No. Anything you talk about Krishna, that is kirtan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.